Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The Vivo X200, launched today, comes with a fast refresh rate AMOLED display, a new Dimensity flagship processor, a flagship camera setup, a big battery, and more. Friends, today I'll be sharing the unboxing and first impressions of the Vivo X200, and tomorrow I'll upload a detailed review comparing the Vivo X200 and X200 Pro. So, stay connected to our channel. Hey guys, it's Maiky from techmaiky. Please subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon for more awesome tech videos. So, let's start with the unboxing of the Vivo X200. This is the standard version of the Vivo X200 series. First, we remove the plastic wrapping from the box and open the lid. Inside the box, we get a 90-watt power adapter with a Type-A output, a transparent case, a SIM ejector tool, and finally a white Type-C to A cable. Now, let's remove the plastic wrap from the phone and talk about its design and build. Looking at the front, the phone has a micro-curved display. The phone's design has rounded corners, known as R-angles. In good lighting, you'll notice the display is micro-curved on all four sides. For selfies, there's a central punch hole. On the back, you'll see the classic rounded camera module, a signature of Vivo's X series, with Zeiss's small blue branding and a T-coating logo. The module looks like it has 4 lenses, but there are actually 3 camera lenses. Even though this is the standard variant, it still has a periscope camera. This time, the flash is placed in the outer area, and it comes with 3 different color temperatures. The back of the phone looks eye-catching, made from frosted glass, so fingerprints won't show easily. The frame is metal, and the edges are slightly curved, giving it a comfortable feel when holding. As for the placements, the bottom has the SIM tray, primary microphone, Type-C port, and bottom-firing speakers. The phone uses heavy materials like glass and a metal frame, but it still weighs only 205 grams, which is great. Looking at the front, the phone has a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with very thin bezels on all 4 sides. We'll test the screen brightness in detail in tomorrow's review video. This time, there's a big change not just in the hardware, but also in the software. The phone comes with Origin OS 5, based on Android 15, making it the world's first phone to run on Android 15. In Origin OS 5, there are many software upgrades. For example, the weather app has been updated, and you can now see rain and snow visual effects on the display. The system's health apps have a card-like design. There are also many AI features, which we'll cover in the detailed review video. Plus, there's a feature similar to Dynamic Island from the iPhone for notifications. Friends, this is just the first impression video. Tomorrow, I'll be uploading a detailed review video of the Vivo X200 and X200 Pro, where I'll cover the gaming test, performance test, battery test, and a detailed test of the flagship camera. To be the first to watch the review, subscribe and join our tech team. You can also see comparisons of the Vivo X200 with other flagship phones here. So friends, see you in the next tech update. Until then, thanks for watching, have a great day, and keep smiling.